Consider the following intermediate program in 3 address code. P equals A minus B, Q equals P into C, P equals U into V, Q equals P plus Q. Which of the following corresponds to a static single assignment form of the above code? And we have been given 4 options. So this is a question from compiler design regarding static single assignment forms. So static single assignment form is a form of writing the same thing that is used during intermediate code generation. What static single assignment form says is that each time a variable is assigned a value, it should be given a new name. This new name we indicate by adding a subscript below there. So if you look at this here, P is assigned something A and B here, and P is used immediately again, meaning that this P and this P should have the same name, and then Q is assigned here. After that, P is being assigned a new value here, meaning that this should be a new name. It shouldn't be the same name as this one, it should be a new name. After that, P is used here, meaning that these two should be having the same name. So this P and this P should have the same name, this P and this P should have the same name, this P and this P should be different. Similarly, if you look at Q, Q is assigned here, after that Q is used here, so this Q and this Q should be having the same name. Also, there is one more Q here, this Q should have a different name than this Q here. The other variables A, B, C, U, V are used only once here and nothing is getting assigned to those, so we can give any name to those. Now we look at the options here. Here see, P1 equals A minus B, P is being given a new subscript 1 here, that's fine, and here it's used as P1, so P1 and P1 is same, this is correct. After that we are assigning P1 equals to U into V, this is wrong. Here P is getting assigned again, so we had to use a new name like P2 or something here. So this and this is matching, this is not different names, so A is not the answer. If you look at C, it says that P1 equals A minus B, and then it's using A, Q1 equals to P2 into C. This is also wrong. This and this should be the same, so this is also the wrong answer. If you look at D, P1 equals A minus B, and then saying Q1 equals P into C, this and this is not same, just like in C, so this is also wrong. Now let's look at B, P3 equals A minus B, this is perfectly fine, we had to use any number, we can use P3, there's no rule saying that we have to start with P1 or something like that. So P3 equals A minus B, P3 and P3 the name is same. After that Q4 equals P3 into C, so that's fine. Then P4, see we are assigning P again and we are using a new name here, this is fine. After that P is used here and these two names are same, so this is also fine. Regarding P, it's perfectly fine. We look at Q, here we are using Q4 and we are using Q4 only here also, so this is also fine. And then Q is assigned again, it's given a new name, so this is also fine. So B is the correct answer for this question.